It was the year 2012. Arjun was 24 years old and lived in a small town. His father ran a small tea shop. The family's financial situation was not good. Many times, during the last days of the month, the family could only afford simple meals. Arjun had a dream. He wanted to become a millionaire. But whenever he looked around, his dream felt like a joke. Because he had no money, no business, and no wealthy relatives. One day, he checked his bank balance. The screen showed only $327. It felt as if life was making fun of him. That night, he couldn't sleep. He kept thinking, will I spend my entire life struggling for money? The next morning, he made a decision that would change his entire life. He decided that for the next 10 years, he would not focus on becoming rich. Instead, he would focus on just one thing: becoming a little better every single day. It sounds simple, but that's where the story truly begins. Arjun worked at a small company during the day. His monthly salary was $300. After work, he used to spend his evenings watching videos on his phone. But now he changed his routine. Every day, he spent 2 hours learning new skills. Sometimes sales, sometimes marketing, sometimes communication, sometimes investing. His friends laughed at him. Bro, you're not gonna become a millionaire. What's the point of working this hard? Enjoy your life. But Arjun stayed quiet. 1 year passed. His salary increased from $300 to $420 a month. It wasn't a huge success, but for him, it meant everything. Because for the first time, he realized that effort produces results. He started saving 20% of his income. While others were buying new motorcycles and the latest phones, Arjun kept using his old phone. Then, one day he watched an interview with a wealthy man. The man said something that changed his thinking. Poor people spend first and save what's left. Rich people save first and spend what's left. That sentence stayed in Arjun's mind. From that day forward, he created a rule. The moment he received his paycheck, he invested first. Then he spent what remained. His investments were small at the beginning. $2,000, $3,000, $5,000. But he never stopped. When the market went down, he invested. When the market went up, he invested. Years passed. His salary had now grown to $1,000 per month. But his biggest victory wasn't his salary. His biggest victory was discipline. He kept doing what most people quit after a few months. Then came 2020. The world changed. Many people lost their jobs. Arjun lost his job too. His friends panicked. Many fell into debt. But Arjun had one advantage. He had spent years saving and investing. He had an emergency fund. He didn't break down. During that difficult time, he started a small online business. At first, it earned only $5,000 a month. Then $10,000. Then $30,000. Slowly, the business began to grow. Now he had 2 sources of income. Then 3. Then 4. One night, he was going through some old papers. He found the bank statement that once showed only $327. He stared at it for several minutes. Tears filled his eyes. Because he remembered the struggle. He remembered the young man who used to count every dollar for transportation. The young man who borrowed money from friends at the end of the month. The young man who believed becoming a millionaire was only for people born into wealthy families. Then the day finally arrived. The year was 2024. It was 7 a.m. Arjun opened his investment accounts and bank accounts. For the first time in his life, his total net worth had crossed $1 million. $1 million. He sat quietly in his chair. There was no noise, no party, no fireworks. Just one man and 12 years of hard work. That day, he understood something important. The first million isn't built with money. The first million is built when you start learning more than you spend, when you start investing more than you impress others, when you focus more on your goals than on people's opinions. Even today, people ask Arjun, "What's the easiest way to make your first million?" Arjun smiles and gives the same answer every time. "I never tried to become a millionaire. I simply tried to become better every day. The $1 million were just the result." Wealth is not created overnight.
Wealth is the result of small, smart decisions repeated consistently over time. And remember, the day you learn how to make your money work for you is the day your first million truly begins.